Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by placing the server private key and PEM certificate where the service expects them, and you set secure file permissions immediately. Once done, import the CA bundle and arrange intermediates in chain order so clients can validate. You also pick a baseline TLS version and cipher policy now. This prevents later incompatibilities. Make sure to note file names and paths for configuration entries, because the next step, references them directly and mismatched paths, are the most common early error. You edit the server's TLS section and set absolute paths to the certificate, private key, and CA bundle so nothing breaks on reload. Then configure the minimum TLS version and your cipher suite list to balance security and compatibility. Explain why weak ciphers are disabled to anyone reading the config. Once those are set, enable OXP stapling and session parameters to improve latency and revocation checking. These options affect client trust and performance, so tune them and test with a client immediately after saving. You run targeted tests like OpenSL S client and a TLS scanner to validate handshakes and certificate chains before reloading the service. Once tests pass, reload or deploy during a maintenance window, and watch logs for handshake errors or OXP failures. If something goes wrong, first recheck file permissions and absolute paths, then confirm certificate chain order and that the private key matches the certificate. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched key and cert or incorrect chain order causes silent verification failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.